Is your Face ID not working on your iPhone? Maybe it's not recognizing your face or just won't activate. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some simple solutions to help you fix your Face ID issues quickly. Let's dive right in and get things back to working smoothly. Solution 1. Enable these key settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down again and tap on Face ID and Attention. Now make sure to enable these options. Require attention for Face ID. Attention aware features. Also enable haptic on successful authentication. If these settings are already turned on, try turning them off and then back on again. This can sometimes help reset things and fix the issue. Solution 2. Reset Face ID. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. Then scroll down and tap on Reset Face ID. After that, tap on Setup Face ID and follow the on-screen prompts to reconfigure it. This can often fix any recognition issues you've been facing. Solution 3. Check Screen Time Restrictions. Go back to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If screen time is turned on, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now make sure any restrictions related to Face ID are turned off. If the issue still persists, try turning on True Tone from the Control Center. Swipe down or up to open the Control Center. Tap and hold the brightness slider, then enable True Tone. After that, try updating your iPhone to the latest software version. If that doesn't work, you can also try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This should definitely help unless there's a hardware issue with your Face ID sensors. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Face ID problem on your iPhone. Let me know if these solutions worked out for you or if you have any more questions. Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.